said, give me my money, please. Thank you. Collect that money. Right lane for the win. On Daily Drivers, Knoxville Dragway, guys. JJ's arm drop. Hot lapping these dailies. Hello, Kentucky. Hello, Australia. How's it going, guys? Hello, Bobby. We got Daily Drivers here at Knoxville Dragway. JJ's arm drop. Who do y'all think's got this? I'm gonna say right lane. I got right lane. What do y'all got? This is left. This is right lane. I got my money on right lane. That's who I think is going to win. Tell me who you got in the comments, guys. Who do you got? Left lane. Right lane. Alright, guys. Looks like it's right lane. Yep, right lane for the win, guys. Moving on. Hello, Florida.
The Daily Driver class, hot lappers, no cool down time. They gotta get it.
Richard, we're still on small tire right now. We're doing Daily Driver. After Daily Driver, we'll roll into second round of small tire racing. So we've still got a ways to go with small tire. We got a lot of racing left in the night, is what I'm saying.
No bet. Yeah, so you lost. So now you want to try to say that we're live.
Oh, it's okay. They forgive you.
No. Look here. Bet him $1 for 20? No. Bet him 100 that he rolls more than 3. You never played dice? You want to roll dice for 20? Do it 1 for 1. Your 1 dice high number against my 1 dice high number. You roll that $20.
So, I ain't got no money, so I'm just going to roll.
No, that doesn't work like that.
Oh, you can have your dice back. Have a good night. He is not getting my money. I see you taking people's money. Ain't getting mine. I worked too hard for mine. Too hard for mine. JJ's arm drop. They need to go back to Chase is a race. Sean, where you been at, dude? It's always been Chase is a race. Of course, that's what we're doing. Chase is a race. Thank you. Hello, Kenny. Hi, Tim.
Are you gonna run or not?
Let me start and see.
Come on, in the water.
Ooh,
I know, right?
Going back live. It's on my dad's Facebook.
Yeah, we were glad to get to come back and see you guys.
Yeah, I'm glad you came too. Bikes run. No, they have not ran yet. They're going to. As soon as they probably wish that these daily drivers hurry up so that they can run already. It's probably what they're saying. Probably like, move y'all's asses. don't know why they complain, Sean. They complain 24/7. I thought we got shot up. I thought there was a shooting. Pam is going to kill them. It's not sounding good, guys. Pamela is going to kill them if they do not stop testing her. Hello, Mississippi. Hi, James. For those of y'all just tuning in, we're on Daily Driver still, Knoxville Dragway in Tennessee, guys. Daily Drivers. We have the motorcycles after daily, and then the second round of small tire. Sorry. Miss Pam said motorcycles to the water box. Hello, South Carolina. Alright guys, motorcycles are coming up next. Keep your phones handy. I'll be back live with the motorcycles.
That was some really racist shit.
JJ's Arm Drop here at Knoxville Dragway. We got the motorcycles. Starting up motorcycles. These guys are crazy fast. It's insane the things they do on these. Right, left lane, guys. And right. Who do y'all got? Show me which one. Yep, left lane.
I'm looking for small tire periods 1 to 5. Small tire periods 1 to 5. To the lane, please. I'm telling you. Okay, it looks like right lane. Right lane, guys. These guys go so fast, it's hard to even see on this phone.
like they shoot off like a slingshot or something. It's starting to kind of mist a little bit here. It's cold. This track is gonna be so slick. That was a smart move on his side. Very disciplined. Winner! All right, he's moving on to the next round. Hey, we got motorcycles still coming up, guys. After motorcycle will be round 2 of small tire. Yeah, David, these guys are so fast. Like, all the respect in the world. Oh, they said they got oil on that side. They got oil, so they're going to get it cleaned up for these guys so we can keep them safe. But so much respect for all of the motorcycle crew here. They are so fast. And like I said, way more ballsier than I am. I wouldn't get on that thing. They are going so fast. Kentucky this year already. We'll definitely coming back to Kentucky next year. We love Kentucky. You guys always show out. Left lane and right lane. Alright, let's pull the footage. Let's pull the footage. Let's see. Let's see what he said.
Good, yeah.
All right, she said she saw it. It was a jump. Right lane. It was a jump on left lane, so right lane is the winner. Chase is a race, guys. That's the rules. So, yeah. If you jump, you're out. That's what happened to me. Looks like they are getting small tire up here for round 2 of small tire, guys. I'm gonna hop off here so y'all can see all of small tire when they get up here. So keep your phone handy.